Do you also exercise with mommy? Huh? I want to do exercise too. Exercise my belly. I dance. Exercise. You can feel the when the weather like too cold, you know. When you shake your body, you get like all the noise because it's too cold. Milo, do you wanna try? Wanna try, baby? Look at him. Look at him. Look at my boy. You wanna try? Malo, do you wanna try? Do you wanna try? Exercise? Malo. Someone's I want also to do my exercise. Chill daw ako. Sabi ni Apam. Kasi sabi ko, magkita sana kami before siya umalis. Bukas or Thursday kasi wala akong appointment. Tapos sabi ko, wag na. Ready na lang siya sa kanyang holiday. Pero sabi niya, chill. Chill na lang ako. Ibig sabihin, pupunta siya. Of course, pupunta siya. Chill daw ako. Kasi sabi ko, wag na. Mag-ready ka na lang sa holiday mo. Kasi nga, busy na nga. Pero sabi niya, chill daw ako. Ibig sabihin, darating siya. Kailangan ko siya ng bago siya mag-Thailand. Bigyan ng memories. Para hindi niya maiwanan. Ay. Ayun na naman. After 2 minutes, try ko. 1. Mga pan hour lang.